Messenger of Peace, Malala said that 2 crore girls may not return to schools after the COVID 19 pandemic ends. The pandemic has been a striking setback to our collective goals, Malala added. She also said that the little had been done to achieve the Sustainable Development Goals adopted by the international community in 2015. WHO panel on traditional medicine has endorsed a protocol for phase 3 clinical trials of African herbal medicines for COVID-19. If a traditional medicine product is found to be safe, efficacious and quality assured, WHO will recommend for a fast-track, large-scale local manufacturing, WHO officials said. Phase 3 clinical trials are pivotal in fully assessing the safety, WHO stated. Iranian hackers have been running a cyber espionage operation using tools to steal information from Windows systems, Telegram, and even via SMS. They have been targeting domestic dissidents, religious and ethnic minorities, and anti-government activities abroad. Researchers call the hacker group Rampant Kitten that has been active for 6 years. It can also perform Google account phishing attacks. US President Donald Trump on Saturday announced that he will nominate a woman next week to fill the Supreme Court vacancy created by the death of Ruth Bader Ginsburg. I think it should be a woman because I actually like women more than men, he added. Ginsburg died at her home in Washington of complications from metastatic pancreatic cancer. Airbus SE has unveiled 3 designs it's studying to build hydrogen-powered aircraft with an aim to being a zero-emission passenger plane into service by 2035. Its approaches include a turbofan jet with capacity for about 200 passengers that can fly more than 2,000 nautical miles. It would be powered by a modified gas turbine engine running on hydrogen. Marine biologists are planning the rescue of around 270 whales stranded on a sandbar off the coast of the Australian island of Tasmania on Monday. Government scientists said it appeared that at least 25 of the animals had already died. While stranding of a scale aren't unprecedented, we certainly haven't had one for at least 10 years, an official said. Bahrain's Interior Ministry said that it had foiled a terrorist attack early this year that was backed by Iran's Islamic Revolutionary Guard Corps. The announcement came after reports implied that the attack was being planned after Bahrain normalized ties with Israel recently. However, Iran has denied its involvement in the plot and claimed it was a false allegation. HCL Technologies to acquire Australian IT firms DWS for 850 crore. Noida-based IT major HCL Technologies said that it will acquire Australia-based IT firm DWS for around 850 crore. HCL said the acquisition will enhance its contribution to digital initiatives in Australia and New Zealand as well as strengthen its own portfolio across key industries. The acquisition is expected to close in December 2020 after regulatory approvals. Elon Musk-owned American electric vehicle company Tesla reportedly held initial talks with Karnataka government officials to discuss setting up a research facility in Bangalore. State officials are now expected to present a detailed proposals to Tesla executives later this month. As per reports, Musk in July had said that Tesla cars will be available in India by 2020. National Cyber Security Strategy 2020 to be released next month. National Cyber Security Coordinator Lieutenant General Rajesh Pant on Friday said that the National Cyber Security Strategy 2020 is awaiting cabinet approval and could be released by next month. National Security Advisor Ajit Doval had earlier stated that the government is coming up with a strategy that envisions safe, secure, trusted, resilient and vibrant cyberspace for India's prosperity. The world's largest jellyfish, the lion's mane, is longer than a blue whale. The Nile crocodile can hold its breath underwater for up to 2 hours while waiting for prey. Without an index finger, you will lose around 50% of your hand's power. The International Potato Center has successfully grown potatoes in a simulated Mars environment. Asian Paints is the largest paint company in India and had been the market leader for more than 50 years. It generates more than 20,000 crores in revenue annually.